Hey guys, just giving my review of Tube Money Mastery. It's a good course. I bought it because I was interested in growing a channel starting from scratch. What I liked about the course is that everything is shown from end to end, how to set up a channel, what to do with the videos, how to create them, how to do the research, all the tools that are needed that are free to use. The course, it's so extensive. What's really nice about it is that because it's so extensive, I find myself going back 5, 6, 7 times. After every time I complete one step, I have all the videos, instructional videos to go back and refer to, and it's fantastic that way. Tons of content. I feel like Matt really put a huge effort into creating this course content, and it really shows. Some downsides, I'd say biggest downside is the price. It's expensive, but you know what they say, things that are expensive might be worth it. In this case, I think that it is. No regrets. Are there other courses out there? Sure, there's other courses out there, but I feel that this one really shows the end-to-end process, like I said, so there's zero guessing. It tells you exactly what to do. So give it a shot. I did, couldn't be happier. Thank you.